Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain how you can use if function, and function and all functions along with few important tools of Excel. You can see how important these tools are and how you can use these tools in your daily life. Suppose here is example of marks in different subjects for a student. You can see subject names, you can see marks, and it's asking whether a retake is required based on marks or not. Let's start with if function. Suppose, for example, let's calculate pass or fail. If suppose 50 is the passing mark, if less than 50 means fail, is equal to less than 50, then fail. We should always write the results in inverted commas, otherwise this should be pass. So it shows fail. Now you should copy and paste the formula to all the rows. You can see it's showing pass and fail depending on marks. Now the tricky thing is calculating grades based on marks. Now we must use AND function along with if function to see the grades. Suppose if marks are between 100 to 90, it means it's A plus. Now let's see how we can do this. And this cell is greater than equal to 90, comma, put another logic. B3 less than equal to 100, then the result should be in inverted commas A plus. This should be result. Now let's type another rule. If and B3 greater than equals to 80 and B3 less than 90, the result should be A grade. Let's type the third rule. If B3 greater than equals to 70 or B3 less than 80, this should result in B grade. Let's do another rule. If B3 greater than equals to 60 and there is some issues. I forgot to write and here, sorry. if and b3 greater than equals to 60 and b3 less than 70, the result should be C. In all the rest of conditions, the result should be D. Let's type another rule. If P3 greater than equals to 50, sorry, let's type and as well. B3 less than 60, let's type D. In all the other conditions, there will be no grade. It would be blank. Let's see. Yes, since it's 45, it means no grade. Let's replace with no grade. So you can clearly see. Just copy and paste the grades below. Now you can see. Now you have realized how to use AND function and if function. Let's use OR function. Let's calculate if retake is required. Suppose if there is COUNTIF range, criteria is, let's say, no grade, greater than equals to 1. Let's type OR as well, so you can learn how to use OR function. Or COUNTIF, select the same range, let's select criteria D, then equals to 1. Yes, otherwise no. Now it means if either you have no grade or grade D in the above list here, it means retake is required, otherwise no retake is required. Suppose if there is no fail or there is no degrade, you won't be required any retake. I hope this helps. I hope the formula helps. Let me know if you need any further assistance or you have any other queries. Let me know.